Welcome! In front of me I have Xiaomi Redmi Note 10 and today I will show you how we can adjust notification bar icons. So at the first you have to open notification bar and then simply tap right here on the three dots in the right upper corner, then click to edit buttons. And as you can see, if you want to change position of one of these icons, for example you want to get dark theme on the upper section of the screen, you have to click hold and then drag it like that. If you want to remove one of these icons, do the same but drag it to the bottom. If you want to add additional icons, for example the bedtime, click hold and then put it right here. After that you can just simply go back and as you can see the changes was saved. So if you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to our channel.